try to do like a 50.
If you're ever down to catch some runs, let me know.
How much is mission?
Let's go, baby. Woo! Trying to wake my ass up, man. It's still a little too early for me, but you know, we're doing it. And pause. You're probably wondering why we're driving in the early morning versus late night Mexico. Well, let me tell you, it all started off with this run right here.
Good. Top end fucking kicking. It's like you hit Nas, bro. It's just like...
We ran Fresh Kick's M340i. I wonder what my GTI would be like against his S15. So we decided to make it happen and see what the outcome would be. I did ask him if this would be a closer race, in which he said yes, it would. So I'm very curious to see how the two cars would do stacked against each other. S15 is a single turbo VQ swap car, so power to weight ratio is definitely much better versus the M340i. Anyways, let's go ahead and get back to the video. A little bit of a gloomy morning though, man. I have a feeling there's gonna be hella cars there already by the time we get there. 5.0 guys. And here we are, the GTI boys. Right next to the Mustang, the 5.0. Did I hear a boosted 9th gen? Oh what? Turbo SIs over here in the early morning. Here we got the Z. Not gonna lie though, I do want to talk to that 9th gen owner and see what he got. What's going on, man? Hey, it sounded boosted, is it?
Super, yeah.
Is it Kraftwerks? Kraftwerks?
It's only on like 7-8 pounds right now.
Oh yeah?
It's at like 8.
On 85 or?
On 85.
Yeah.
My fuel's maxing out already. So I need to do the fuel return. I want to hit at least 450 with this kit.
Well, it sounds real nice. I heard it pulling up. I was like, oh, what is that? Go ahead, bro. Go ahead. This you? It's clean, bro. I like it. Dope as hell. What is it? Boosted, no?
Yeah.
Supercharged or turbo?
Supercharged turbo.
Alright. Which one?
Turbo.
Turbo? Nice. How much do these usually put down with like the turbo?
Around like 600.
Oh shit.
600 easily.
Yep, stupid clean. I'm in that white GTI back there. I got an upgraded turbo E85. If you're ever down to catch some runs, let me know.
How much is mission?
Just over 5.
Just over 5?
Yeah, it's pretty light though.
What, is it a Mark 6 or 7?
7, yeah.
It's
7.
funny, I wanted a Mark 7.
Right.
Yeah.
Now let's go check out the S15. See what we got here. These rims are all polished. Oh yeah. And then of course, right-hand drive. Yeah, it was good to see you again, man. Yeah. Still keeping up with your videos and everything. I see you posting out there, you know, attending all the meets and everything. You said it feels slow?
Even if it's slow, like, you know, when I first bought it, like, it probably made like a little bit over 2, maybe like 250 or something.
Yeah.
It was like fun to drive still, but it's just, you can tell
For sure,
it needs more, you know?
Doesn't it feel weird shifting though, like when you're on, like using your left hand?
At first,
you get used to it, right?
Yeah, at first it's super fucking weird. Like,
Yeah.
Super weird. But then after about probably like a week and a half, 2 weeks, like kind of
Get used to it.
Yeah.
For
Still
sure.
feel weird though here and there.
So you said with the setup like where it is right now, it usually puts on like around 5 or
I made 455.
455? Yeah.
455.
That's on 85 or?
Full week.
Yeah,
455 and 420 something torque. 423. When it hooks, it hooks.
Oh yeah.
It's a little chilly out. We could try to do like a 50. I'll try it, but
50. How do you feel about 60s? Is that better?
60s, to be honest.
You right?
Yeah.
60s is fine with me.
I'd rather do.
Yeah,
I
same,
could just
same.
use third gear. Second is like
Same, yeah.
like
Sick,
cars,
man.
spinny boys.
And there you have it. So some pretty close runs here with the S15. I know on his lane he was spinning a little bit because it was a little cold in the morning, and on my lane they had this this awkward little line here in the road that made it a little bit uneven, so that introduced some torque steer there. But overall, some good runs. I think the torque steer combined with the spinning on the S15 made it a little bit more interesting on both sides, because we both were trying to see who's going to take the lead here. So that was a lot of fun. Shout out to Fresh Kicks for bringing that thing out. There's a couple times where he missed the shifts there, so I think he mentioned he needed to replace the shifting bracket. I can only imagine what it would have been like if it did hook up and everything, but overall good runs nonetheless. And then the race with the Z here, I didn't know what to expect, to be honest. I know boosted Zs can be pretty quick for what they are. This right here, homeboy lined up, tried it out, and then we got him on the top end there once he started shifting. And then this last run with the Corvette, I already knew the Corvette was going to be quick, but I just wanted to see that thing pull out. So, you know, we line it up, see what it was all about, and man, it is quick. It had the skinnies up front and the like 340s in the back, 345 tires in the back. So definitely one fast car. Overall, some short runs here, guys. Let me know what you guys think about the runs overall with the Z, with the S15, the Corvette, and yeah, hope to catch you on the next one. Peace.